Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 16th, 2025, we're analyzing NZDUSD, looking at both recent news and the charts to help you trade smarter. The RBNZ cut interest rates as expected, and UBS suggests more aggressive cuts might come, according to recent reports. We're also seeing high beta currencies rally, possibly because the US might choose flat rates instead of country-specific actions. Plus, let's consider President Trump's trade policies, with sentiment improving on the idea that he may be focusing protectionism more on China. Now, let's jump into the charts and see how this news is affecting NZDUSD. We'll start with the one-day chart to get a broad perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the recent price action and overall trend. However, let's narrow our focus to the most recent candles to get a better sense of the immediate direction. Zooming in, we observe a recent uptrend, possibly influenced by the rate cut already being priced in, as well as speculation about tariff resolutions and the weaker USD. The most recent candles show a slight pullback, indicating a potential consolidation or reversal. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of this price action. On the hourly chart, we can see more clearly the fluctuations from April 11th through April 15th. The 1-hour chart shows short-term volatility, with recent price movements attempting to hold around 0.588 to 0.590. Switching to the 15-minute chart might give us even greater insight into the very latest price behavior, which can be useful for intraday trading. The 15-minute chart shows us some recent choppiness. This smaller timeframe helps highlight potential entry and exit points for short-term trades. However, volume is thin. You can also see how volume is thin from earlier in the day, and this may be because of the RBNZ. A strong resistance appears to be forming near 0.594, which price has had trouble overcoming in the last few days. If the price fails to break through this resistance, we could see a move back down toward the 0.586 level. Overall, we should consider a few key points. A break above 0.594 would signal bullish continuation, but thin volume may hinder a strong breakout. Failure to break 0.594 increases the likelihood of a bearish move back to 0.586, making it a key level to watch for potential short positions. Look out for RBNZ announcements or further news on Trump's trade policies, as these could be catalysts for sharp moves in either direction. Remember, this analysis is based on the information available today, April 16th, 2025, and market conditions can change rapidly. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Good luck trading!